Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a DoorDash driver and you feel like the app keeps asking you to verify your identity over and over again, you're not imagining it. DoorDash does this for several important reasons, and understanding them can make the process a lot less frustrating. The biggest reason is legal compliance. DoorDash is required by federal and state laws to regularly confirm driver identities to stay compliant with contractor and labor regulations. Another major reason is customer safety. Identity checks help ensure that the person delivering food is the same person registered on the account, which protects customers and maintains trust on the platform. Verification is also tied to tax reporting, since DoorDash must issue accurate 1099 forms to drivers. Finally, there's fraud prevention. These checks help stop account sharing, hacked accounts, and fake driver profiles. Verification requests are usually triggered by things like logging in from a new location, unusual account activity, expired ID documents, routine system reviews, or major app updates. If your verification fails, it's almost always due to poor photo quality. Make sure your ID is clear, well lit, fully visible, and placed on a plain background. For selfies, remove hats or glasses and match your ID photo as closely as possible. If verification keeps failing, wait a full day before retrying and then contact DoorDash support through in app chat for the fastest help.